Congrats! Guys, a full words lang. Grabe. Nagkakaroon ng Mega Mall. Ang ganda-ganda. How do you feel about it?
Hindi pa rin nagsisilipin sa akin na nangyayari lahat ng pero sobrang grateful talaga.
Ayun nga, I don't know what to say. Really, I'm grateful for everything. MJ, especially to you. Shout out to you. I appreciate you so much because you've been along. You've been with us throughout the whole journey, especially even when I started my first press con with Jenka, and now we're
Guys,
here.
wait lang ah. Umiiyak si Andres.
Di ba? No,
Umiiyak siya. Ay, my goodness. Umiiyak pa siya.
I'm not crying. I'm keeping it composed.
Okay lang. Umiiyak ka, Andres. All your fans are here.
Galing nga.
Sa totoo pala, talagang naging emotional sa amin sa mga blessing.
Totoo.
Grabe naman. Andres.
Yes. Everything that we did there, that I did as well to get to this point, you look at Ashley to get to this point, we sacrificed a lot and worked hard to really put out the film that we hope that you guys can enjoy. And we're just really appreciative and really blessed to say that we're grateful for everything that's happened along the journey, and it's been a ride, but it's just the beginning and there's a lot more to come. So
Sold out after sold out daw ah.
Oh, grabe. Alam niyo po, tulad ng sabi ni Andres kanina, binigay talaga namin yung puso namin dito. Kaya sobrang gantong support ay natatanggap namin. Grabe lahat ng pagod, lahat ng hirap na wala talaga lahat.
What was your conversation like backstage?
ayun nga, it's just
Habang naglalakad kami, sabi niya, nagsiki na sa'yo? Hindi ba? Sa kanya din, hindi ba?
parang it hasn't sink in for the both of us yet, and it's crazy kami talaga. Seriously.